Hello guys!
Wala, ang ganda ko sa camera.
Today is April 15 and start na po ng vakasyon. Katatapos po ng closing namin kanina and it was an honor to invite me as their guest speaker, and it was successful po kahit na boring po sila. Pero kahit ganun pa man, natapos na yung mga problema. The whole year, akala ko di ko kaya, but it's possible. Possible lahat po. Basta, andun yung tiyaga, determination. Diba? Yes! We can do all things. True.
Yeah.
True.
Truth plus who strengthen.
Yes, definitely. Life is beautiful, tandaan nyo yan. Maraming beses tayong panghinaan ng loob, susuko tayo, pero ang kagandahan nun, we still trying to survive. Tumatayo tayo sa ating pagkadapa.
As what we said of Mark 11:24, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it,
Yes.
It will be yours.
I guarantee that kasi based on my experience talaga noon. Yung parang akala ko imposible, pero posible. Basta, masarap mabuhay.
Yes! I am now graduated!
Yay! Congrats, my dear! Alam niyo po guys, ilang week na lang?
3 weeks.
3 weeks na lang po mag-graduate na yung friend ko. Lord, I'm blessed din po this year kasi January 2 po na permanent na po ako.
Yes! Thank you so much, Sir I know.
As in, Lord, thank you so much.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you too, dear. Kasi,
Yeah!
Lord, dati parang hindi namin nakalain makagraduate kami kasi pop. Pero look, oh my God, di ba?
Yes.
Madaling makuha ang pangarap. Yes. pag malapit ka na sa finish line, pero pag nasa process ka, mahirap.
It's so hard to
Pero pag tignan mo yung ano mo, yung pinagdaanan mo, mahirap man pero ngingiti ka kasi
yes.
na kaya mo. Di ba? Ganun yun.
Mahirap ang maging mahirap, pero mas mahirap ang taong walang pangarap.
Definitely.
Yes!
Mahirap yung, di ko na alam. Basta hanggang dun na lang po. Bye!
Bye!
Pauwi na po kami ngayon. Pagaling namin sa school. Kinuha ko na po yung mga gamit ko. Dahil bakasyon na. Oh, Uncle. Napo na yung gamit ka ta bakasyon na. Yan po si Uncle Johnny. Ayan. Okay, bye guys. Basta we are super blessed to experience this beautiful life. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful life that you give me. Oh my God, I'm so very overwhelmed what we have facing right now.
Sorry! I want you to back nung nag-aaral ka dito. Diyan tayo dadaan.
Yes.
Basta masaya pong mabuhay. Kahit sa mga hindi magandang nangyayari, try lang po natin mabuhay. Huwag po natin kalimutang ngumiti. Okay, that's all. Bye. I love you all.